Hello guys! Mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. I am just so happy today kasi nandito po ang aking kalabaw. And there's a big blessing that I want to share with you guys. Bakit? Because it's her. She already gave birth to our adorable. Anong tawag sa karabaw na maliit? Ayan o. Oh, guys. May baby karabaw kami. Yan, let's welcome her. Ang ipapangalan natin sa kanya ay, ano ba yung name? Happy! Yeah! Hello, Happy! Happy!